Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can record calls on your phone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you. So let's get on it. Before you record a phone call from your iPhone, there are actually few practical things to be aware of. So first and the most important thing is states have varying laws regarding phone calls. So make sure that to check your state's policy regarding the recording phone calls on your phone. And after that, actually iPhone does not allow recording through built-in microphone while that phone is actively on call via its own software. So to put it simply, you can't hit record while you're talking on the phone. So you either need an external iOS device with audio recording and microphone functions or a third-party app with a separate call software such as Google Voice. And also note that these party apps may require subscription fee. So let's get on to the steps how you can record. So first, what you'll need first is one iPhone using a speakerphone to engage in the call, and another recording device could be another iPhone, an iPad, or even an Android device using voice memos or a recording app to record the call. So first step, you can test first your voice memo apps. So make sure that you have both an iPhone and other iOS device such as iPad or another iPhone that includes the voice memo apps. So the voice memos app comes pre-installed on most devices, but it's also free on the App Store. And once the voice memos app tap the red record button and start speaking for long enough that you can ensure that the sound quality is good enough to record and then clearly understand a conversation. So when you are done, press the red button again and an audio file should appear in voice recording and the number correlating to the voice recordings you have. And then next, what you can do is play back the audio file and make adjustments. Now you can play the file back and see if the audio is discernible. Make the adjustments you need before you record a phone call. So for example, if the sound is too low quality, you may need to speak louder, increase the microphone sensitivity, or put the speaker closer to your mouth. And then now you can start recording. So get the second device set up to the voice so that the voice memos is ready to record. So put the device in a close proximity to the phone making the call and hit the red button again to record. So start the recording before you start the call may add a few seconds of silence to the file, but it will ensure you don't miss any of the conversation. So on your iPhone, make sure to initiate the phone call in speakerphone mode. And just a pro tip, the red lines in the voice memo apps right here, as you can see on the picture, is or indicates how well the app is picking up the sound. So the larger the red bars are, the higher the volume that's detected. So if the lines stay flat, then you may need to turn up the phone call volume or move the devices closer together. And then next you may need to inform the other party you are recording. So this is for legal reasons. So check if the state you are recording and residing in is one party or two party state when it comes to recording consent. So one party states only require one person on call, which would count as you to consent to be recorded. And a two party state requires both the person recording and the person being recorded to consent. And then lastly, what you can do is end the recording and transfer the file. So when the conversation is over or you got the information you needed, end the recording by once again tapping the red button. And from within the Voice Memos app, select the file of the recording and just tap the ellipsis button. It is the three dots to bring up the share options and set it directly to your phone via text message, mail, AirDrop, or even Google Drive, whatever you want. So that's it for this video. That's how you can record voice calls on your iPhone. And that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.